May we follow the House of Representative-elect Sandro Marcos. Certificate of canvass of votes and proclamation of winning candidate for member, House of Representatives. May 12, 2025 national, local, and bar parliamentary elections. We, the undersigned members of the Provincial Board of Canvassers, do hereby certify under oath that we have duly canvassed the votes cast in 1 city and 11 municipalities for the candidates therein for member, House of Representatives in the elections held on May 12, 2025. Attached hereto and forming part hereof is a statement of votes by city municipalities garnered by each candidate for the office of member, House of Representatives. That after such canvass, it appears that Marcos Sandro garnered 169,880 votes for the office of member, House of Representatives, the same being the highest number of votes legally cast for said office. On the basis of the foregoing, we hereby proclaim the above named winning candidate as the duly elected member, House of Representatives of Ilocos Norte, 1st Legislative District, Province of Ilocos Norte. In witness whereof, we affix our signatures and imprint our thumb marks in the Province of Ilocos Norte this May 13, 2025 at 2:30 in the afternoon. Congratulations, sir.
Solta.